They asked to find the area between the line y equal to x and x squared plus y squared equal to 32. So this is a circle. First one is a line, second one is a circle. So area between the line and the circle. Just to draw the rough diagram. Here 32 is there. 32 we can write as square because x squared plus y squared equal to r square. So you want to find r, you want to find square root of 32. So it become 4 root 2. This is r squared equal to 32. Then r equal to square root of 32. It become a 4 root 2. So 4 4s are 16. 16 2s are 32. So 4 root 2. Why I am find radius? If circle intersects the point here at the point of 4 root 2 comma 0. Here what will come? 0 comma 4 root 2. Just to find the radius, the limit in the x-axis. If y equal to x, the line will be passes through the origin like that. Y equal to x. So next you want to find the point of intersection of the line and the x to find the limit. What is that point? So y equal to x. So in equation 2, instead of x substitute y. So what will happen? Y squared plus y squared equal to 32. Then 2y squared equal to 32. Then y squared equal to 32 by 2. Y squared equal to 16. Then y equal to plus or minus 4. So maybe here value is what? 4. Here value is what? Minus 4. That point is 4 comma 4 because x equal to y both are equal. When y equal to 4, x also equal to 4. When y equal to that point is minus 4 comma minus 4. No need about this point. We asked to find the area between the line above the x-axis. Consider the first quadrant they asked. So asked to find area in the first quadrant with the x-axis. So they asked to find only the particular area. So here we have two methods is there, finding area between the two curve. Otherwise you are going to follow the area in the above the x-axis or below the x-axis. So what is the beauty here? With the help of the point of intersection, if you extend the line, the limit is 4. So you have 0, 4, this is the 4 root 2. So the line cover the area with the x-axis 0 to 4. So that part we take as a A1. That part is take as a A1. The second part take as a A2. So the required area equal to A1 plus A2. A2 is the area covered with x-axis with the help of circle. Okay, so required area, the required area equal to A1 plus A2. So we sum up both, we are able to find entire area in the first quadrant between the line and the circle. The line and the circle with the x-axis. All three you want to find the area. So now you are going to find what is the A1. So A1, the line cover the area of the x-axis, the limit of 0 to 4. Okay. Now find the A1. So A1 equal to, so in A1 if you take the limit A1, if you take the limit x equal to 0, x equal to 4, then function y equal to x. Therefore A1 equal to limit 0 to 4 y into dx. What is the y? Y equal to x. So 0 to 4 x into dx. So now integrating x become x squared by 2. Then write 4 here. Substitute upper limit and lower limit. So 4 squared by 2, lower limit value is 0. 16 by 2, 8 square units. This is the value of A1. Next you want to find the value of A2. When you come to A2, what is the limit? The A2 cover the area of the circle, the limit of 4 to 4 root 2. So limit x equal to 4 and x equal to 4 root 2. Within a 2 limit, the circle cover the area of the x-axis above the x-axis. So limit in x, then we want to find in function in y. So from equation 2, y square equal to 32 minus x square, then y equal to square root of 32 minus x square. 32 minus x square. Now you want to find the area. A2 equal to limit 4 to 4 root 2 y into dx. Here y equal to A2 equal to integral of 4 to 4 root 2 square root of 32 minus x squared into dx. So we have formula square root of A squared minus x squared, we know very well, follow the circle or ellipse, follow the formula. So x by 2 square root of a squared by 2 like that will come. So here a is a 32, 32 we can write root 2 root 32 the whole square. Same 32 we want to write, we need the formula a squared minus x squared. Then 32 we can write root 32 the whole square. You write like that, otherwise directly you can write the format also, because it won't affect. If you want a square minus x squared, so root 32 you can write root 32 the whole square. So what is integral of that term? X by 2 square root of same value 32 minus x squared plus a squared by 2. A squared means what? 32 only. So 32 by 2 sine inverse of x by a. Here a is root 32. That's the meaning. A is a root 32. So if you want to write, you can also write here a is a square. A square is a 32. So you write it's a better. So a square is a 32. A is a root 32. And write the formula. So x by 2 same value will come. Then a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. So a square is here represents a 32. When you come to a, it become a root 32. Then upper limit and lower limit 4 root 2 4. Sorry, 4 to 4 root 2. Now substitute the upper limit value here. Okay. So 32 is equal to 4 root 2 when substitute here. X by 2. When substitute 4 root 2 square, what will come? 4 square 16 plus 2 32. So entire value become a 0. So you want to substitute x by 4 by root 2 square root of 32 minus 4 root 2 the whole square plus 32 by 2 sine inverse of 4 root 2 by root 32. Okay, so both are same only. 4 root 2 root 32 both are equal. So root 32 you can write as a 4 root 2. Then minus of substitute the lower limit value. Substitute the lower limit value 4. So 4 by 2. Then square root of 32 minus 4 square plus sine inverse of 4 by root 32 plus 32 by 2 sine inverse of 4 by root 32. This is the upper limit and lower limit we have substitute. Now, so main thing, how to identify A1, A2. Remaining part is usual. If you know the basic formula, you can able to apply here. Now eliminate here 4 root 2 square become 32, entire value become a 0. If minimize here 16 will come 0 plus 16. So 4 root 2 root 32 both are same only equal only. If you can able to eliminate, it become a sine inverse of 1. So 4 root 2 equal to root 32. Now here eliminate 2 will come. So minus 2 root. So lower limit value. So 4 square 16. 32 minus 16. Again 16 will come. You take the square, it become a 4. So overall it become a 4. Then plus 32 by 16. 16 into sine inverse of that 32 you can write as over there. 4 into root 2. So 4 cancel. Here sine 1 by 2 will come. Here sine 1 by 2 will come. So now we have value 16. Sine inverse of 1 minus of 8 plus 16 24 plus 24 8 plus 16 into sine inverse of 1 by root 2. Now 16 into sine inverse is a pi by 2 minus 8 into plus 16 sine inverse of root 2 45 degree pi by 4. Okay, so now 4 you can eliminate, 4 times will come, 8 times will come. So 8 pi minus of 8 plus 4 pi. Now multiply inside. 8 pi minus 8 minus 4 pi equal to 4 by minus 8. This is the A2 value. So required area equal to required area A equal to A1 plus A2. So A1 area already we have 8. Then A2 area 4 by minus 8. 8 area element we have 4 by square units. The required area lies in the first quadrant is 4 by square units. So that when you apply the upper limit, lower limit alone, you can take the concentrate and substitute the value. So remaining part as usual easy only.